Yo, what's up, guys? You just have to take care once again. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make money on Extra Pay. So, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can make money on Extra Pay via this video. So, watch this video to the end and stay tuned to this video. Listen attentively so you can understand how you can make money on Extra Pay. So, Extra Pay is just a newly built website and which is up and checking. You can see the website is very beautiful and go to the registration process and see it's quite super and cool. Even the login access, super and cool, super and cool. So you can see super and cool. So this is a new website that I just launched, and let me just drive you guys into Telegram and explain a little bit about this site. So this site, you can make money even if you do not register somebody under you. Either you not refer anybody as an affiliate, if you do not even register somebody, you can make money. Once you personally register on the site, you are good to go. So you can see this is the official Telegram channel for Extra Pay, and also here you can see our non-referral daily earnings. Like this is the non-referral daily earnings venture. Number one is watch and earn. So this watch and earn is you watch social media videos and earn at the process. So that's number one. Number two is sponsor trend. That sponsor post. You post sponsor post every day and you make money from it. So number three is social media tax. The social media tax talking about here is you can be following people on social media. Like once you register on Extra Pay, you will see a lot of tax that you can partake in. Once you click on tax, it redirects you and you will now follow somebody on Facebook and earn at the process, or you follow somebody on Instagram and earn at the process. Likewise, TikTok and other social media. So this is all about Extra Pay. You can see on Extra Pay, you can see it, and also the registration fee on Extra Pay. Sorry, the registration fee on Extra Pay is 5,000 naira. Referral bonus is 3,000 naira. Indirect bonus is 200 naira. Subdirect bonus is 100 naira. And daily watch video is 100 naira. So if you register on the site with my own referral code, you earn 1,000 naira as welcome bonus immediately. You get 1,000 naira as welcome bonus immediately. So watch this video to the end because I'm still going to explain a lot more about Extra Pay. So you can see Extra Pay multiple source of earning. So you can see earn on social media gain, as I said before. That is the followers, to follow people on Instagram, on TikTok, on Like it, and all this stuff. With the process, you are good to go to start making money on Extra Pay. Number two is sponsor marketing, extra sponsor marketing. The sponsor marketing is also uh, quite okay. It's quite okay. You can promote, you can share sponsor posts and make money via it. So that's another thing that you can do on Extra Pay. So another thing you can do on Extra Pay is advertising mat, like advertisement mat. So under this advertisement market, you can make money by either posting your goods. As a fully registered member of Extra Pay, you can open the market space and also upload your goods there. You can upload it there under the market space. So that's what you can do under the market space. So the next thing is digital courses. So the under the digital courses, you can buy any course and learn it. You can buy any course and learn it and make money from it also. So upcoming updates, we are going to work on the website is working on affiliate link for market space and lots more. Yeah, so a lot more coming. So these are another thing that you can opportunity to make on the website. So now this is another thing on the website, which is social media, extra social media gain. Under this extra social media gain, this is just showing you how much you will earn per either followers, like, and share, the reaction we get from followers. So you can see like this is how much you can earn by following people on Instagram, on Facebook, and on liking. So you can see on YouTube also, on WhatsApp, on TikTok, on Twitter. So you can follow person here, and you can follow once you do any task here, you make money from it automatically. Just follow the instruction, and once you follow the instruction, automatically you are good to go. So that is it. So that is it. So the next thing is to know that um extra pay is available in Cameroon, in Ghana, in South Africa, and in Kenya. So ExtraPay is launched in Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. So we've talked about the market space before. So as you can say, fantastic feature for all ExtraPay members. Showcase your product and to a vast target and audience. So you can see it here now. So this is also market space. Talking about more about the market space. So this is the sweetest part, withdrawal day. So withdrawal day is always on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. That's only Tuesday and Saturday. That I'm not always. So this is um the withdrawal flyer, whereby you can withdraw on Tuesday, on Thursday, and on Saturday. So you can see it there as well. And the withdrawal limit is 6,000 naira, and you're good to go. So the next thing is uploading sale. Uploading sale. So you can just upload any business you are doing. You can upload any business you are doing. Um, upload any business you are doing on the market space, or if it is ebook, you can upload your ebook here and also make money from it by people buying it, and you are making your money. So that is another way you can make money on extra pay. So the biggest boom part of extra pay is the referral stuff aspect. So under this referral aspect, if you refer 150 people, you get a mini sound system. If you refer 300 people, you get a smart TV. If you refer 500 people, you get a fully automated laptop. If you if you if you refer 1,000 people, you get iPhone 13 Pro Max. And if you refer 3,000 referral, you get a 4 day trip to Ghana or cash equivalent. If you get 5,000 people and the person get a brand new car. So this is how another feature on extra pay is working. You can see it as I explain here. It's another feature on extra pay, and this is how it's working. So that is it about extra pay in this aspect. So if you have any question, you can let me know on the comment section. So I'll be dropping a video on how you can register, and how you can register on extra pay, and also how you can do all this, how you can perform all these tasks. That's what I'm going to do now. So let's proceed by how you can register on extra pay. So what you're going to do now is to go to the site. So we're going to come to the website here. You're going to come to the website here. So number one thing is click on get started. So that get started, you will be required to put your name. So I'm putting my name here. So I'm putting my name here. Um, all right, so I'm just putting random name here because I've already have an account. So so I'm using this email. I'm using my phone number and username. You have to choose a username, a unique username for yourself. So let me just choose Dan or Daniel. So can see I've chosen that name on the username, and so the next thing is coupon code. For you to register on EXTRAPAY, you need a coupon code. You need a coupon code to register on EXTRAPAY. So for you to get a coupon code, come up here and click on purchase coupon. So you can see these are vendors. Number one, this is EXTRAPAY vendors. Number two, this is another vendor. And number three is another vendor. So these three vendor available right now on the site. More are coming. So once you chat any of them up and tell them that you need a coupon code, they will send you a coupon code for registration immediately. So let's go back to the registration center. So click on get started and input your name. So put the email address. So you put your phone number and put your username. So putting username, you can put, let me just put anything as username. And the coupon code, I tell you, you have to come down here, click on purchase coupon code and purchase a coupon code. So I've already purchased the coupon code. So I need to just copy it and paste. That's only what I just need. Click on copy. I've clicked on copy. So I come to WhatsApp and click on paste. So you can see now I've already pasted it. I've already pasted it immediately. So here now they will tell you to guess your question. So you can guess any question right here. You can get any question right here. So let me just choose what is your favorite place for vacation. So you can put anything here as answer just for security reason. Let's say um what's your favorite location. So you can just choose anything here. You can just write anything. I just write anything here. And click on your password. Start generating a good password. So click on accept terms and condition. So you can see now I'm successfully registered. You can see I'm successfully registered and I get a 1,000 naira welcome bonus. You can see it like this. So this is how this site work. You can see this is the registration fee and I've already fully registered on the site. Now it's time to start making money. Time to start earning from the site. So that's the next thing we are going to be talking about now. So now, this you registering on the site. Number one thing you can do is change set your profile, add images. So come down to add image on your. So let me just add this as the image and click on update. You can see I've automatically updated my profile, and here you can put your account number here. You can put your account number here, your account name. Now, so you can choose your bank here. That's necessary for you to do. Once you put your account number, I'm just putting random name as the name and click on, because I've done all this thing before. So you choose your bank. If your bank is Kuda Bank, Money Point, anything, you can choose it here. So and click on update profile. So automatically now we can see our account number is here, our account name is here, our account uh an account, you can see all the account details is 100% here. So now let's do our first tax. So our first tax that we are going to do on this site now is let's share sponsor post. You can see here sponsor tax. You can see it here. So once you click on it, it will load So you click on share to earn. So you can refer it to Facebook and you share anything you want to share. So now you click on next and it will load and share. So posted, you can see now. So posted, it's already posted. So let's go back to our dashboard on EXTRAPAY. You can see already earned 500 naira. We just read with 1,000 naira. So you can see sharing bonus 500 naira. You can see just now. That's first thing. You can earn. This is daily. You can come back tomorrow to share another post and earn 500 naira automatically. So that's number one. Number two is you can do you can watch video. You can watch YouTube videos. So if you want to watch the video, click on that video sign and it will load and watch for 1 minute. Yo, what's up, guys? So it's Seftek once again. So you have to wait completely for this thing to finish loading, because if you pause it, you can see it here. If you pause it, it will automatically pause. So if you continue playing it, it will automatically be playing. So that is another thing. You can see as you are doing everything gradually, and the percentage is growing. So until you get to 100%, we are not you cannot back it. If you go back now, you cannot get your point. Cannot get your point. So that's it. 68% now, 71, 73, 75. So you are going to 100% and you get your reward. So all right, so we are getting our reward now. So come back to your dashboard. You can see 100 naira added for watch bonus. You can see it down here. You can see it down here. So um so that's another tax you can do on this site. So on this site also you can do more tax, more social media tax, but this video is already getting long, so I will have to end this video now. You can see these are social media tax that you can partake on and do. I will do more videos on how you can do social media tax. So if this video is very helpful, please drop a comment on the comment section. And number two is that if you register with my referral link on the comment section, you will see my referral link on the comment section. If you register with my referral link, you get 1,000 free as welcome bonus. So what are you waiting for? Drop me a message now. My WhatsApp number and my referral number will also be at the description below, so you can click on it and register. So people are already starting making money very big from EXTRAPAY. People are already making money very big from EXTRAPAY. So don't miss this out. Don't miss this out in any way. Don't miss this out in any way. So if uh you can see this is somebody earnings on EXTRAPAY. So don't play. So share this video with your friends once again, and like this video, share. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I will reply you. Do have a blessed day, guys. Boom.